Hello mga kahuan! Good day, future researchers! Welcome to our Practical Research 2 review session. So here, we will be answering a series of questions in preparation for your Practical Research 2 midterm examination. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Okay, get your notes and your pen for the note-taking. Again, welcome to Practical Research 2 review session. First question. It is the act of presenting another's work or ideas as your own. You got it, and that is plagiarism. Next question. It refers to the characteristics that have two or more mutually exclusive values or properties. Great job! That is variable. Next question. Variables that represent categories that cannot be ordered in any particular way. You got it right. That is nominal variable. Next question. A special kind of independent variable that are measured in a study because they potentially influence the dependent variable. Excellent. That is control variables. Next question. Variables that have values that lie along an evenly dispersed range of numbers, and when there is an absolute zero, as opposed to net worth, which can have a negative debt to income ratio level variable. What type of variable? Yes, it is interval variable. Next, a kind of variable that are not actually measured or observed in a study. They exist, but their influence cannot be directly detected in a study. You got it, and that is confounding variables. Next, it stands between the independent and dependent variables, and they show the effects of the independent variable on the dependent variable. Splendid! That is intervening or middling variables. These are variables that represent categories that cannot be ordered from greatest to smallest. Nice one! That is ordinal variable. Next, a kind of variable that probably cause, influence, or affect outcomes. They are variably called treatment, manipulated, antecedent, or predictor variables. What variable is that? That is the independent variable. Next question. These are variables that depend on independent variable. They are the outcome or results of the influence of the independent variable. What variable is it? You got it. That is dependent variable. Next. These are variables that have values that lie along an evenly dispersed range of numbers. Nice one. That is interval variable. Next. A norm for conduct that distinguishes between acceptable and unacceptable behavior. The correct answer is research ethics. Next. It refers to the sharing of data, results, ideas, tools, resources, and be open to criticism and new ideas. Very good. That is openness. Next question. Know and obey relevant laws and institutional and governmental policies. Very good. And that is legality. Next question. Avoid careless errors and negligence. Carefully and critically examine your own work and the work of your peers. Good job! That is carefulness. Next question. It is one of the characteristics of good research questions which it can be investigated without an undue of time, energy, or money. The question is, very good, and that is feasible. Next question. The most people would agree as to what the key words in the question mean. The research question is, great job! That is clear. Next question. It will not only involve physical or psychological harm or damage to human beings or to the natural or social environment of which they are a part. The research question is, you got it right. That is ethical. It is worth investigating because it will contribute important knowledge about the human condition. The research question is, you got it right. You got it right. That is significant. Very good. Now, the heart of research. Very good. That is problem. Next question. This part serves as the plan or the blueprint of the study. The correct answer is, you got it right. That is conceptual framework. Next question. This part consists of definition of words operationally used in the study. The answer is great job. That is operational definition. Next question. This part serves an overview of the research topic under investigation. This part serves as an overview of the research topic under investigation. The correct answer is Introduction of the study. Next. This part sets the parameter of the study which narrowed down the scope of inquiry. The correct answer is scope and delimitation. Very good. You got it right. Next question. This part shows the concrete terms that a researcher expects to happen in the study. The answer is definition of terms. Very good. Next. This part cites the benefit certain group of persons will get from the outcome of the study. The correct answer is significance of the study. Very good. Next. This part clearly expresses the specific direction or focus of the research problem or inquiry. The correct answer is statement of the problem. Next, this part elaborates the origin of the research problem which lead to the conduct of the study. The correct answer is review of related literature. Very good. Next, it covers the general statement of the problem as well as the specific research questions to be answered in the study. Very good. And that is statement of the problem. Next, it uses the definition of term and how it is used in your study. The correct answer is operational definition. Very good. Next, determine the following if what type of variable are. Write I if the variable is interval, N if nominal, R if ratio, and O if ordinal. Again, determine if what type of variable are the following. Write I if the variable is interval, N if nominal, R if ratio, and O if ordinal. Let's begin. Military. What kind of variable is this? Exactly. That is ordinal. Next, temperature in degrees Celsius. What kind of variable is it? Very good. That is interval. Next, birthplace. The correct answer is nominal. Very good. Next, year level. The correct answer is ordinal. Next, favorite type of music. Very good. And that is ordinal. Next question. Clothing such as hat, shirt, and shoes. Very good. That is nominal. A score in 5-item quiz in math. That is ordinal. Very good. Next, how about feeling for today? It belongs to nominal. Great job. Next, means of transportation. You got it. That is nominal. Next, how internet is used at home. The correct answer is ratio. Very good. How about freshman and sophomore? The correct answer is ordinal. How about the person's net worth? The correct answer is interval. Very good. Next, how about male or female? The correct answer is nominal. Next, how about 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? It is under with ordinal. How about political affiliation? It belongs to nominal. You got it. Very good. Now let's proceed to the enumeration. You are going to enumerate the different ways on how to prevent plagiarism. At least 4. Recognize the various forms of plagiarism, especially the ambiguous ones. Make it clear who said what. And rightfully and completely cite the sources. Know how to paraphrase and evaluate your sources. Now let's proceed to give at least 5 codes and policies in conducting research. We have honesty, objectivity, integrity, openness, respect for intellectual property, confidentiality, responsible publication, responsible mentoring, respect for colleagues, social responsibility, non-discrimination, competence, legality, animal care, human subjects protection, and carefulness. Enumerate the parts of research sequentially. You have Chapter 1, the problem and its background. Chapter 2, review of related literature. Chapter 3, Method and procedure. Chapter 4, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. Chapter 5, summary, conclusions, and recommendations. Give the acronym of SMART in research. S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for attainable, R stands for realistic, and T stands for time-bounded. Very good. I hope you learned something in this review session. I hope you are now fully prepared for your midterm examination. God bless and good luck. Bye mga Juan and future researchers. God bless.